What's going on, guys? Welcome to ChickenHawk Motorsports. We're going to give you a little update on Billy Jack's Challenger we're building. We built the motor for it, building turbo setup, fuel system. I mean, we're completely starting the front, going to the back of this thing. So we've got the piping's done, all the cold side piping, hot side piping's all tacked together. I got to finish welding it up. Then we take it and get it ceramic coated. All the breather tank lines are made. Vacuum lines are made, boost controllers installed, 2-steps installed. We've been busting tail on this thing, trying to hurry up and get it done. So we'll just go through and just show you some of the quick things we've done. Got finished. We'll show you all the lines, and we don't have the 2-step box completely mounted yet. We're trying to figure out 100% where we want to mount it. I think we've got it mounted spot, or where we're going to mount it at. So we'll go through and show you that stuff. Like I said, we'll just show you some things we've been doing. Alright, so breather tank's finished. It's getting ready to go to powder coat. All the lines are made. So this line runs around here to this valve cover. It's all done. Cold side's finished. It's getting ready to go to powder coat. It says a transmission vent line. So it goes right there. It's all done. All the water lines for the turbos. The turbos are water cooled. They're all made. Oil lines are made. Let's see, over here, here's where we have our stage 6 2-step box. Anyway, we're gonna mount it over here. So that way it's kind of quick, easy to get to. Just pop that little panel off and get to it. So like I say, it's all done. We got to finish a couple switches on the inside. We've got the boost vacuum block. We got it made. It's on. It's installed. I mean, we're getting really close to having this thing finished. So hopefully, let's see. I don't know what today is. Today's March 11th. We're hoping to have this thing at the racetrack the last weekend of March. Drive shaft's ordered. It's supposed to be here Wednesday for the Turbo 400 swap. We got the adapter for the rear. We got to change the rear in it still. But that's fine. Billy Jack's got that under control. He's got to bring it, drop it off, we'll pop it in, put the new axles in, and should be ready to go. So fingers crossed, everybody, that we have no parts. Everything should be here. Hopefully we're not waiting on a whole lot of stuff. I mean, I really don't know what we're waiting on besides the drive shaft, and it's supposed to be here Wednesday. That should be it. We got to finish the parachute mount. I didn't show that. We got a parachute mount we made on Billy Jack's car. We have to finish. We got the mount made on the back of it. I have to actually finish the actual parachute mount that holds the bag, holds the cable. Hopefully we'll have it done here in another day or two. But we're going to throw a quick little video together, show y'all a little update on Billy Jack's car. So hopefully within, like I said, hopefully in a couple weeks this thing's going to be on the racetrack. We're definitely going to do some dyno videos and stuff, so make sure to stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. We're also going to be doing giveaways every time we get a new 100 subscribers. So the more y'all share, the more subscribers we get, the more chances everybody has to win. So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and roll the outro.